Hey guys, it's me Sainaskar. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about the bioplastic. So without any time wasting, let's start today's video. So guys, plastic pollution is major concern for us because India is the largest producer of the plastic. It is emitting approximately 9.3 billion plastic each year. Out of this, 3.5 million tons are directly releasing to our environment. This figure is significantly higher than the Nigeria, Indonesia and China. So how to get rid from this? 43% of India's total plastic waste is still consists of daily use material like bags, straw, plastic bottle, etc. So for getting rid from this, India is encouraging to use biodegradable plastic in our daily use. So guys, welcome back to the world of green and clean environment. Guys, have you even wondered how these remarkable plastic are made from? Basically, the conventional plastic are made from the crude oil like petroleum, which is not sustainable for us, and this is not degradable over the thousands of years. But biodegradable plastic is a type of the plastic that derives from renewable sources such as cornstarch, sugarcane and potato starch, rather than the traditional plastic that is made from the fossil fuel. Guys, first time it was discovered in 1862 by Alexander Spark. 1920 to 1930, industrial interest in bioplastic grew, but rise of the petroleum-based plastic after World War II, they slowed their development. But resurgence occurred in late 20th century and early 21st century due to the environmental concerns. After that, company began producing the bioplastic like PHA and PLA by using the renewable sources such as cornstarch, sugarcane, etc. So guys, how to produce this bioplastic? First step, factories are collecting raw material like sugarcane, potato starch or corn from different sources. In second step, starch is extracted from the raw material. After that, in third step, that starch is converted into the glucose by hydrolysis process. Fourth step, that glucose is converted into the lactic acid by fermentation. After that, in fifth step, the lactic acid is converted into the polylactic acid by direct condensation polymerization. In sixth step, the resulting PLA is extruded or cooled into the pellets, films or any other desired shape. After that, in last step, the extruded or cooled plastic is shaped into a specific object like bag, container, etc. In this step, the additives like pro-oxidant is used to increase the biodegradable process. Guys, there are some advantages of the bioplastic. Let's come and see them. First one, bioplastic are degradable and compostable, and also they are reducing long-term pollution. Second one, they are made from renewable resources like sugarcane, cornstarch, etc. Also, they are typically generating fewer greenhouse gases emissions. Third one, they help us to decrease the reliance on the non-renewable resources. Fourth one, many bioplastics are not made from the harmful chemicals like BPA. Its full form is biophenol A. It is mainly used for making traditional plastics. But guys, also there are some disadvantages of the bioplastic. Let's see them one by one. First, not all bioplastic degrade easily in natural conditions, but some requires industrial composting facilities. Second one, the production of the bioplastic is extremely high expensive than the conventional plastic. Third one, some bioplastics are made from crops like sugarcane and corn, which could otherwise used for the food. Fourth one, some bioplastics may not be strong or heat resistant as the traditional plastic. At COP26, India set itself the ambitious target to achieve the net zero carbon emissions by 2070. So, bioplastic is one of the instruments to achieve that target. With that, I'm concluding my video. Till then, it's me Sainaskar. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.